You know, Thanksgiving is right around the corner. How do y'all feel about that? All right, YouTubes. I just got a crazy text message for a walk-in box, and they say it's can you come out? Do you have time today? The walk-in box is 80 degrees. I'll put a screenshot up on the I'll put a screenshot up. You can read it. $80 degrees walk-in box. Let's get out there and take a look. This is real curious. Can you tell I'm a little bit excited? I'm like, 80 degrees walk-in box. Let's go check this out. If that's the case, all their product, they can't sell their product that's in there. That'd be terrible. But let's go take a look at this thing and see what we get into. I got tip-ins. I think that's enough to go make a diagnosis real quick here, hopefully. Truck. All right, let's activate the shoulder strap. Check. And we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go up to the walk-in box. Let's check it out. He told me it's not the walk-in. The walk-in's fine. He says it's the reach-in is warm. Wah, wah, wah. Okay. This last one out of the way. Click of death. I heard it. I heard the click of death. Let's get her unplugged. And we'll get the cover off right here. Well, that's not looking too good. Ooh, the overload's super hot. Right there, to the touch. Whew. I'm gonna grab a 3-in-1, see if we can make it work. All right, that's classic. Get over here, my walk-in box at 80. And then the chef's all, no, it's just the reach-in cooler. All right, let's give this little, oh, that's the last one I got on the truck, huh? Give the old 3-in-1 a sniff, see if it works. And I'll grab a couple wire nuts too. That was hilarious. Yeah, brah. The walking boxes at 80. Nope, just a reach-in cooler. That's pretty funny. Oh, it's pretty hot. Hot tamales. Condenser looks pretty clean. Alright. Let's give it a try, see what happens. Not a chance. Not today. Bernsky, hey, can I get a price for a little Tecumseh compressor and availability? All right, it's a TPA 9421 YXA, and it's stub tube. Little bugger. Starting, like a little bit showing. Yeah. Guys. Oh, the 40, it crosses over to a 4440. All right, how much is? Fine. How much is a 4440? You got a stub tube one, just in case I need it? I did, and I sent the EMO in for all those parts for the Fujitsu. Oh, I'm not sure yet. I gotta find out. I know that's coming. Yeah, I know that's coming. Okay, I'll let you know how I make out. I gotta give him the price. All right, thank you. Bye. All right, let's give him a number and see how we make out. Needs a new receptacle too. New plug and a new receptacle's needed. Look at that. So I gotta see if I got a receptacle on my truck and a plug. We got the green light to change the compressor, and we'll do that Friday morning. All right, so I'm gonna do that one. And a little Guinness harp. Friday morning, 8 a.m. compressor change out coming. Stay tuned, right here on the NorCal channel. Shit, maybe we could even live stream some of it. But let's go to the van first and see if I got a plug. And I'll see if I also have a receptacle. That has to be changed out on that unit too. And we still don't know if the capillary tube's bad, so I really could be getting into a big old rat's nest. That's how it goes. Let's find out. Now I'm looking for the 90, the angle plug. And I don't see it in there right now. So I'm gonna have to pick one up. That's usually where I keep them. I got a cap tube dryer. I got plenty of cap tube, so that's good. So I gotta get a plug. I should have a receptacle up there. We'll take a look. So I'm not going to put a GFI in there, so I need to go to the hardware store, get a receptacle and a 90-degree cord cap. We'll be ready to rock and roll this job. Let's see here. Phone, recent calls. Here we go. Hey Brandon, is Bernie there? Holding on. Yeah. Bernie, I got the green light for that compressor. Hey, what oh yeah, the PO on that one's gonna be Rosie McCann's. Hey, what hours are you guys working tomorrow? Oh, full day? Perfect. I'll come pick it up after work. All right, I'll see you then, man. Thank you. Oh, you got tomorrow off? Hey, man, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy that. All right, man. Talk to you later. Bye. All right, compressor is accommodated. We got to pick it up tomorrow after the day job, and we're gonna go to the hardware store right now. I'll bring you guys along, and we'll get a receptacle and a plug for that thing. I found the plugs. I'm gonna get 2 of those. I'm gonna throw these on my truck for truck stock, a male and a female. Struck out, they don't have any 90 caps, but I found this. I can just replace the whole cord in there. So let me go pay for this stuff, and then we'll tune in for the compressor change out. Hit the like button right down there. Like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the compressor change out. Thanks for watching NorCal Refrigeration and HVAC. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.